Hello friends, welcome to yet another video of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Nikhil. Today we are shooting this video to help you in filling up the form for NMIMS. The full form is Narsee Monjee Institute of Management Studies, the examination called NPAT examination. Yes guys, recently NMIMS has released their application form on 23rd December 2021. एंड नॉर्मली नार्सी मुंजी के जो फॉर्म्स होते हैं वो रिलीज होते हैं क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के आसपास, नॉर्मली नवंबर दिसंबर में रिलीज हो जाते हैं, बट अभी क्राइस्ट के फॉर्म्स रिलीज होने बाकी हैं विच इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड इन फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी. Students who want to get into लॉ इंडस्ट्री, फॉर देम ऑल्सो क्लैट का भी एग्जामिनेशन जो है एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी में रिलीज हो जाएगा. विल बी क्रिएटिंग द वीडियोस फॉर दैट टू. सो जो भी कॉमन यूनिवर्सिटीज होते हैं जो सब लोग फिल करते हैं विच इज कॉमनली एक्सेप्टेड एवरीवेयर, विल बी क्रिएटिंग द वीडियोस फॉर दैट in our YouTube channel, and you can share this video with your friends also, those who are not joined anywhere, तो at least ये videos को देखकर वो correctly fill कर पाएंगे. Guys, इन वीडियोस को क्रिएट करने का यही रीज़न होता है कि आप इन वीडियोस को देखिए सो दैट यू डोंट गेट इनटू दैट सिचुएशन जहाँ पर आपकी कोई गलती हो जाती है एंड यू कीप मार्किंग मेल टू द यूनिवर्सिटी, और मे बी यू ट्राई टू कॉल देम, मे बी कनेक्ट हो पाता है नहीं हो पाता है, मे बी यू गेट इट करेक्टेड और नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. सो डोंट गेट इनटू दैट सिचुएशन. आप फॉर्म फिलिंग वीडियोस को देखिए कि कहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स का ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं, कौन सी जगह पर इश्यूज आते हैं, और उसको हम एक एक करके सॉर्ट करेंगे. विल शो द प्रोसेस पूरा का पूरा कि कैसे फिल करना है, उसको देख स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखिए और उसको फिल कीजिए. तो इसके अलावा यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट कौन कौन से न्यू कोर्सेज आए हैं जिसमें आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, कौन से पुराने कोर्सेज ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं, एंड उसका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, उसका एप्लीकेशन फीस कितना है, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स विच एवरीवन शुड नो. जो भी फॉर्म फिल कर रहा है शुड नो अबाउट इट, बिकॉज उसी के हिसाब से अपनी फर्दर प्लानिंग करते हैं फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. All right, so this video will definitely help you. Please see this video till the end and share this video with your friends also, so that जिन्होंने कहीं ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो एटलीस्ट वो भी हेल्प कर ले सके इस चीज़ की. ऑलराइट, सो इनिशियली आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द कोर्सेज ऑफर्ड इन NMIMS. सो इनिशियली BBA, BCom ऑनर्स, BSc फाइनेंस, BSc इकोनॉमिक्स, दीज आर दी ओल्डर कोर्सेज ऑफ NMIMS. बहुत टाइम से चल रहे हैं. BBA ब्रांडिंग एंड एडवर्टीजमेंट रिसेंटली कुछ टाइम पहले ही रिलीज हुआ है, so that's also a nice option to go for. BBA International Business they have released this year only in 2021. दिस ईयर जो अभी चल रहा है इस पर अभी इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस रिलीज हुआ, एंड BBA इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस इज एक्चुअली अ गुड option to go for, because there are a lot of students who do masters in common things, like जो लोग एग्जामिनेशन देते हैं लाइक GMAT, CAT, ZAT, SNAP, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एग्जामिनेशंस. सो वो लोग भी आजकल जो कॉमन कोर्सेज होते हैं लाइक ऑपरेशंस, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, HR, इनको छोड़कर धीरे धीरे करके और चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, लाइक BBA इन इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, MBA इन इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, और MBA इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, MBA इन machine learning, or MBA in public relations, depending upon your interest. So there are very lot of other options which is coming in picture, and which is emerging in India. So explore different things so that आपको और चीज़ों के बारे में पता चले. Alright. Now, BA honors liberal arts, those students liberal arts opt करते हैं, you have an option in Narsee Monjee, and students who wants to get into the industry of law, they have BA LLB and BB LLB. All right. Talking about the eligibility criteria of this NMIMS, so again BBA, BCom honors, BSc finance, BSc economics के लिए you should have a minimum of 60% in 12th standard, and guys, it is important, you should have maths and stats, or stats in is compulsory in 12th standard. तो अगर आपके पास maths और stats नहीं है, so you are not eligible for these courses. Now there are a lot of students says कि स्टैट्स तो मैं ऑलरेडी पढ़ रहा हूँ इन इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर, मेरे पास स्टैट्स का ऑप्शन है. नो गाइज, यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर इट. अगर आपके पास अलग से स्टैट सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, सो नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर दीज कोर्सेज. ऑलराइट, इसके लिए मैथ्स कंपलसरी है या स्टैट्स कंपलसरी है. ऑलराइट, नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर कोर्सेज, BBA branding and advertisement, BBA international business, bachelor in business management and marketing, BA LLB and BB LLB, इन सारे courses के लिए you should have 12th में minimum of 50%, which is common to get. उसके लिए तो कुछ ज़्यादा struggle नहीं होता है किसी के लिए भी, so anyone can go for it. BBA international business के लिए I would like to tell you guys, जो स्टूडेंट्स बीबीए इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस के लिए ऑप्ट कर रहे हैं इन नार्सी मुंजी, देर आर वेरी वेरी फ्यू यूनिवर्सिटी इन इंडिया ऑफर्स बीबीए इन इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. व्हाट आई नो, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफर करता है बीबीए इन इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, बट दैट इज विद फाइनेंस. सो उनके पास जो कोर्स है दैट इज बीबीए फाइनेंस एंड इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. बट यहाँ पर अगर आप कोर आपका इंटरेस्ट अगर आपका इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस की तरफ है, so you can opt for this option. And यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि आप 2 years you'll be completing your graduation, 2 years of your graduation in Mumbai campus of Anarshi Munji. And जो आपका 5th and 6th semester है जो 1 year आपका लास्ट का होगा, you'll be completing that 1 year in Kingston University, which is in London. So again, जैसे हम student exchange program हमारा होता था, we used to go to different countries and other students come to India for student exchange program. You get to know different things, you explore different people. So this is something good. So ये एक ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है बीबीए इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस के अंदर, जो स्टूडेंट्स ऑप्ट करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं. सब अगेन अच्छा ऑप्शन है चूज करने के लिए. ऑलराइट, बी ऑनर्स लिबरल आर्ट्स 10+2 में आपका 60% आना चाहिए. दैट्स अ मिनिमम criteria. That's it. Now I'll be talking about the admission processes of these exams. Okay, so now BBA, BCom honors, BSc finance, BSc economics, BB international business, bachelor in business management and marketing, BA liberal arts, ये सारे कोर्सेज के लिए आपका एक एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होगा ना, एनपैट के नाम से. एनपैट का आपका एग्जामिनेशन होगा एंड उसके बेसिस पर आपका जो मेरिट आएगा, ऑन दैट बेसिस विल गेट दी सिलेक्शन इन दी नार्सी मुंजी. जो आपका मेरिट होगा उसके बेसिस पर विल गेट द सिलेक्शन. सो दिल बी एग्जामिनेशन विल बी NMIMS एनपैट एग्जामिनेशन. ऑलराइट, नाउ अगर आप बीबीए ब्रांडिंग एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट को देखेंगे, उनका सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस थोड़ा सा अलग है. यू विल बी हैविंग द एग्जामिनेशन नेम इज कॉल्ड एनपैट ओनली, डिफरेंट एग्जाम, बट उसके साथ यू विल बी हैविंग द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस एज वेल. सो आपको एग्जाम देना होगा, एग्जाम के बेसिस पर आपका मेरिट्स आएंगे. दे विल बी मार्किंग अ मेल टू स्टूडेंट्स हु आर सिलेक्टेड आफ्टर एग्जामिनेशन, एंड उसके बाद पर्सनल इंटरव्यू लेने के बाद फाइनल कैंडिडेट को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. Alright, so BBA branding and advertisement option. They also have moving ahead BBA LLB and BLB के लिए भी there will be different examination, which examination name is called LAT, लॉ एडमिशन टेस्ट 2022. उसका जो स्कोर आएगा, उसका जो मेरिट आएगा आपका, उसके बेसिस पर you'll be getting selection in NMIMS. Alright, now moving ahead, as I've already told, online application started on 23rd December 2021 and last date इसका है 5th June 2022. एग्जामिनेशन अभी तक कोई पर्टिकुलर डेट्स नहीं दी गई है फॉर एग्जामिनेशन. 1st April 2022 to 10th June 2022. So guys, whenever you fill up that form, then Arshib Munji will mark you a mail or let you know through different mediums, the phone numbers or the mail. They'll let you know when do you have your examination. They'll create a slots for it, and on that particular day, whatever dates they give you, on that particular day you'll be going for the examination, or if you have the interview process, you'll be going for that particular thing there. All right, form link we have already given to all the students. Application fees is 2,000 rupees for each school you select. So each school, that means I'll show you whenever we'll be filling up the form. They have a different school's name. So if you're selecting one school and courses in one school, you'll be paying 2,000 rupees. And if you're selecting one more school, you'll be paying one more 2,000 rupees more. Now, गाइस, ऐसा नहीं है कि हर कोर्स के लिए 2,000 रुपीज़ है. देयर आर फ्यू कोर्सेज लाइक अगर आप बीबीए इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस करते हैं, फॉर दैट यू विल बी पेइंग 1,000 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा along with that 1,000 rupees for that. Okay, so depending upon your choices, the final charges will be there for the application. All right, I'll show you the process for that too. जब हम form filling करेंगे, I'll show you the process for that as well. All right, so let's just click on form link. Once I click on it, I will be getting this page, and the site is npat.in. अगर आप npat.in करते हैं, on the right side you have an option called admission. Apply now, and once you click on it, you'll get this particular page. Now यहाँ पर you'll have to punch in, do the main basic registration, where you'll have to punch in the name, your email ID, your phone number, your city, your state, and the courses you want to opt for. Now this is very important guys, आप इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए कि यहाँ पर लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर देयर. इकोनॉमिक्स, कॉमर्स, लिबरल आर्ट्स, ब्रांडिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इंटरनेशनल स्टडीज, मैनेजमेंट, ये एक कुछ ऑप्शन है, इसके अंदर हमको सब ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करने हैं. सो सपोजिंगली फॉर अ डमी आई पिक कॉमर्स, एंड कॉमर्स के अंदर आई विल बी गेटिंग these three options: BCom honors, BSc finance, and BBA. Supposingly I wanted to go for economics, I would have selected इकोनॉमिक्स दैट. ओके, सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर चॉइस कि आपको कौन सा फॉर्म फिल करना है, विच इज अ प्रायोरिटी, आप उसके बेसिस पर आप इसको चूज कर सकते हैं ना. वंस आई चूज BBA there, I will have to accept terms and condition by clicking on this check box and click on register. Once I click on register, it will give me this particular page where the Narsi Munji people will send me a mail, the activation link. Through that, I'll be able to get into the main page of Narsi Munji, where I'll be able to fill up the further information, and NPAT will send me the username and the password to my registered मोबाइल नंबर. सो प्लीज सेव इट समवेयर, बिकॉज आपका जो लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स होते हैं दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आप अपना एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जाते हैं, यू नीड टू गेट द एडमिट कार्ड. जब तक आपके पास यूजर नेम पासवर्ड नहीं होगा, यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट दैट एडमिट कार्ड. सो प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू सेव योर यूजर नेम पासवर्ड समवेयर. मे बी हो सकता है आपका फ़ोन आपने चेंज कर लिया, मे बी हो सकता है आपने फ़ोन फॉर्मेट कर दिया, यू डोंट हैव दैट मैसेज अगैन, एंड इफ यू हैव लॉस्ट इट, it will be very very difficult for you to get that login credentials. So please save it somewhere. For our students, what we have taken, we have made a option in the Pratham account itself, which is called Forms Wallet, wherein all the students can put in their username and password of different universities and save it there, so that whenever they need it, they can fetch that information from their portal itself, and they can use it whenever it's required. All right, so this is what we have done for the Pratham students. Those who have not joined anywhere, आप उसको कहीं ना कहीं पेपर पे लिख के रखिए, कहीं ना कहीं उसको सेव करके रखिए. इट इज important. All right, so moving ahead, it will give me this kind of mail, and once I click on the blue link, it will activate my NMIMS account. All right, so once I click on it, it will give me this options. So overall form, whatever with the form we have, they have divided the form into different things: personal information, parent details, academic details, preferences of the schools, or the options or the courses, and the final payment. All right, यहाँ पर so what we're gonna do, I have to select Mr. or Miss. First name is already mentioned. I have to select the gender, blood group, date of birth, nationality, region, married or not, category. So in category, guys, you can see a lot of categories options are available. OBC, DT option is there, economics, EBS, EBC option is there, economically backward class option is there, economical weaker section, EWS category is there, general category, and there are a lot of other options you have. Guys, this is important. Whenever you belong to any of the category here, okay, you should have a certificate for that too. So please make sure whenever you're filling up any category there, instead of general category, you should have the certificate, because you will have to attach the documents along with this. Okay, so that's it. Moving ahead, you will all right, like moving ahead, I will have to choose the ID proof which I have, and on that ID proof, I can choose Aadhaar card, I can choose my bank's uh, passport, I can use that. Now on the left hand side, if you guys can see, learner driving license is not allowed there, so उसको consider नहीं करेंगे, तो please do not attach that. Aadhaar card normally सारे students के पास होता है, please attach your Aadhaar card. You put your Aadhaar card there. Okay, put Aadhaar card for the verification thing. Okay, now on the right hand side, upload your recent passport size photograph. So आपको यहाँ पर अपनी passport size photograph attach करनी है, and maximum size should be 512 KB. All right, so this is the size which is required in Narsi Munji, and this is somewhere students face problem, because when you click a picture of your passport size photograph, the size can be of 8 MB, 10 MB, 15 MB, depending upon the resolution you have chosen at the time of clicking on the picture. Now the thing is, you'll have to compress the photograph, because the size cannot be more than 512 KB. All right. So how you can do, you go to any of the option in Google, type compress image. Once you click on compress image, you'll get different online options. वहां पर आप जाकर आप किसी भी ऑप्शन को चूज कीजिए. There are a lot of online options. Once you attach photograph there, it will automatically compress it. Now if you want to recompress it, you can recompress that also. Maybe the size, maybe you are able to convert the size from 10 MB to 5 MB, and if you want to further do it, you can use those softwares to do it. That's a free available in the Google. Also you can use this feature in Paint as well. Those students who are using the Windows laptop, Paint पे जाकर भी आप उसको compress कर सकते हैं. It's not difficult to do it. The resize option comes there. You using that, you can compress the photograph there. All right. Moving ahead, are you differently abled, yes or no? I click no. If I say yes, I will have to attach the document for that too. All right. So moving ahead, the mobile number, I have to mention the alternate mobile number, and the email ID I have to mention. These are the basic information I have to mention. Address detail, I will have to punch in the country, state, district, city, address with the pin code number. I have to punch in those information as well, and I will click on next. Once I click on next, it will give me the parents details information. So for father, I will have to mention the initials, first name, last name, mobile number, email ID. Same information I will have to fill in for mother as well. Initials, mother name, full name, first name, last name, mobile number, and the email ID. The same information which I filled for father as well. So I have to fill it for mother too. Moving ahead, it will I will click on next, and here I will have to punch in the 10th and 12th information, academic information basically. All right. So if you guys can see on the top left, एनरोलमेंट नंबर जो आपके पास एडमिट कार्ड आया था इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड, वहां पर आपके पास एक एनरोलमेंट आईडी होता है. यू विल हैव टू पंच इन दैट एनरोलमेंट आईडी. पासिंग मंथ आई हैव रिटन जून 2022. Those students who were in 12th standard right now and will be giving the Nasim Munji exams, if you don't have gap in between, you would have completed your 10th in 2020 only. Okay, so I have selected June 2020 May, you would have got the results. I have chosen that. Was it a percentage or grade based? I have mentioned to those things, that information. Obtained marks and total marks. Supposingly I had 5 subjects, I got in total 450 out of 500. On the right hand side, percentage option is there. You don't have to mention the percentage manually. It will automatically calculate and mention that. So आपके पास जो आपके obtained marks हैं and total marks, you have to punch in that information there. All right. Below that, I will have to punch in the information for 12th, 12th, whether it is a diploma or 12th, whether you're appearing for it or you have passed out. If you have passed out, you'll have to punch in the 12th marks as well. If not, click on appearing there. All right. You'll have to choose the board. You'll have to choose the state, the stream you have, commerce, humanities, or the stream you have. You have to punch in the school name, whether you have taken PCB or PCM, yes or no. And on the right hand side again, you have maths or stats in 12th standard, yes or no. So once you click on, if you have that, you click on yes. If you don't have, you will click on no option there. All right. Now another very important thing is, right, on the below option 12th details, now we have to mention the enrollment ID. Now there are a lot of students ask कि अभी तक तो मेरा actual board नहीं हुआ है. We have this year we have boards twice. एक अभी हो चुका है नवंबर दिसंबर में, and we have one more board upcoming in the month of March. So यहाँ पर you will be putting up the information, the admit card number which you have already got. Okay, so use that admit card number, the enrollment ID number on the left hand side. On the right hand side, I have mentioned that passing year, month and year will be June 2022. Percentage based or grade based, you have to mention that also. All right. uh, I will click on next once I fill in this information. This is very important part, guys. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान से देखना ज़रूरी है. यहाँ पर देखिए, as I was talking about schools, that there are different schools they have in Narsi Munji. So supposingly I say talk about School of Commerce, School of Liberal Arts, Center of International Business. These are the schools name. As I was saying कि एक स्कूल का एक पर्टिकुलर कॉस्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if I choose any course from School of Commerce, or I select all of them, Maybe like in School of Commerce, I have a BBA, BCom Honors, and BSc Finance. Okay, if I select one or if I select all of them, the charges will be 2000 rupees. All right. Supposingly, I add one more option like Center of International Business. I choose one more option, and BBA International Business I choose. For that, you will have to pay 1000 rupees. All right. For every school, there's a different charges I have to pay. All right. So maybe I may be interested for economics. If I choose economics, for that also I will be paying 1000 rupees extra. All right. So this way it keeps on adding to the application form cost. So these are the schools which I was talking about. I'll tell you how to choose that also. And on the lower side, what I have done, I have chosen BBA Mumbai campus. I have chosen BBA Navi Mumbai. I have chosen Bangalore campus. BSc Finance Mumbai. I have chosen BCom Honors Mumbai. Now, you would be aware that Narsi Munji has lot of number of centers. Supposedly, they have campus in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Dhule campus. They have Indore campus. There are a lot of campuses they have in Narsi Munji. But there are a lot of students who ask कि priorities क्या रखनी चाहिए. So priority wise, I would always recommend कि Mumbai is the oldest one. Okay, Mumbai का कैंपस सबसे बेटर होता है. So अगर आपके पास मुंबई है तो आप उसको प्रायोरिटी भी दीजिए. Then you have Mumbai. After that I would recommend Bangalore and then Navi Mumbai. Okay, these are the top three priorities. And there are a lot of students who says कि I live in Delhi region. I don't want to move far from Delhi region. And for that reason, they people choose NMIMS Chandigarh. So that option is also there. So depending upon your choice, आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, उसके accordingly आप उसको choose कीजिए. So uh, that's again your choice कि उसको तरीके से आपको किस तरीके से manage करना है. All right. So I've chosen these 5 points, and along with that I've also chosen one more school which is BBA International Business in Mumbai campus. I've chosen two schools here. All right. So अगर आप School of Commerce के अंदर जितने भी आप option choose कर लो, there's no problem, आपको 2000 रुपीज ही पे करना है. ओके. एंड अगर आप इसमें और भी अगर ऑप्शन होते हैं स्कूल सेंटर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस के अंदर, इफ आई वुड हैव सिलेक्टेड मोर ऑप्शंस देयर, so I would have paid only 1000 rupees for that too. So as of now I have chosen this particular option. Below that, this is very very important. एक और चीज बहुत ध्यान से देखिए. Do you wish to retake for the above selected test? Yes or no? This is important. अगर आप इसको yes कर देते हैं, and on the right hand side it says how many times. Okay, अगर आप इसको yes कर देते हैं, that means you want to attempt the NPAT examination twice. अगर आप उसको यहाँ पर अगर आप 2 कर देते हैं on the right hand side, that means in total you'll be appearing NPAT thrice. इसका इफेक्ट हमारे एप्लीकेशन कॉस्टिंग पर आएगा गाइस. इन टोटल इफ आई एम पेइंग 30,000 रुपीज, तो अगर मेरे को यस करके मैंने 1 कर दिया, दैट मीन्स इफ आई एम appearing the examination twice, I will have to pay 3000 multiplied by 2, 6000 rupees will be the cost. Okay, so this is very very important. आप उसको थोड़ा ध्यान से फिल कीजिए. आई पर्सनली से कि आप उसको रीअटेम्प्ट पे मत डालिए, पुट इट ऑन सिंगल वन, बिकॉज if you are not targeting only an MIMS, okay, you have many options available. Okay, but that again your choice. I'll show you how it works. I will click on make payment. Once I do that, see, we have got 3000 rupees, and in total I'm making the payment of 6000 rupees on the right hand side. Additional attempt retake amount. Now on the payment page, if I realize कि यार costing थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ रहा है, 6000 rupees is much, and I realize कि okay, I will give the exam only once. If I click on uncheck this option, automatically price जो हो जाएगा, that will go to 3000 again. ओके, सो इस पेज पर भी आके अगर आप प्लान करते हैं दैट यू वांट टू गिव द एग्जाम वंस, यू कैन do this way also. All right, so once you do that, it will you will have to click on make payment. Once you click on make payment, this is the payment gateway. uh, all the options, credit card, debit card, ADM options, internet banking, wallets के अंदर मैंने options जानबूझ के यहाँ पर mention किया, because you should know there are a lot of people who offer wallets option these days. So they have Amazon iCash, Mobikwik, Oxygen wallet, Payworld, and Pockets by ICICI Bank. So these wallets are also available. If you want to make the payment using these payment modes, you can do it. And that's it. By doing this, you will complete your application form for NMIMS. All right. So this is how if you fill up the form. And again, as I've already requested you guys कि आप अपने यूजर नेम पासवर्ड को प्लीज सेफ रखिए समवेयर सो दैट बाद में अगर कोई उसको यूज आता है उस चीज़ का आप उसको यूज कर सकें. All right. Now, still there are a lot of people who might face problem, who want to know maybe हो सकता है कि ये कोर्स को मैं ऑप्ट करूँ या नहीं करूँ. About that also, if you have such queries, you can contact us on the mobile numbers mentioned on the left hand side. For every region we have a different service managers. You can contact us from 10 to 7. Also, we have a helpline number. You can contact us on the helpline number too, and we'll be surely assisting you for that as well. All right. We will be again creating the videos for the upcoming examination. That's I've already told you. We'll be creating the video for CLAT, ALET, Narsi Munji, CRIS, uh, UPS Dehradun, for all the major universities we have in a country. So I'll be creating a video for that too. Okay, so I'll be uploading in the YouTube channel as well. Those students who are actually following us, you can go to a YouTube channel which is Pratham Test Prep, and there's a playlist option in the YouTube channel. So if you click on playlist and you choose forms wallet, forms update, so in that you will be able to see all the form filling videos. So इनमें से अगर आपको कोई form fill करना है तो using that videos you can fill up your form. All right. So that's it. This is what we do in Pratham, and for any kind of support you can contact us. We'll be creating the another videos. Till the time we meet, till that time, take care of yourself, do good in your entrance test, and also work hard for your boards examination. Thank you, and have a nice day, people.